My friend hooked us up with cheap flights again, and we took a just over 48-hour trip to Vegas. Here's what happened, because nothing really stays in Vegas. I went day clubbing, which is way less sleepier than night clubbing. I got 2 custom bikinis made from the Toronto local brand Unika, and honestly, my life has changed. I'm broad up top, lumpy all over with no butt. They added a dip in the back, which is a game changer for flat bums like mine. My boobs are spaced really far apart, so tops often cut inward a bit too much, causing really unflattering armpit fat. So my top was cut wider in the center to accommodate for that. The one thing I wanted to do in Vegas was eat at a ridiculous buffet. We went to the Bacchanal at around 2, got the lunch prices, and me and the rest of the Asians in Vegas exclusively took from the seafood stations. I thought it was worth it, and the rest of the trip we just ate at every American burger chain and compared burgers. We went to White Castle, Shake Shack, and In-N-Out. For a non-drinker and non-partier, I had a lot of fun just walking the strip and getting sensory overloaded. We made a quick trip up to the Neon Museum, which is so worth it. It's technically a very short experience, but if you talk to the staff, they're so passionate about the place and they can tell you incredible stories about each and every sign. I also didn't realize that I kind of no longer fit into my summer clothes, but still bear no regret from the buffet. We went to the Rio after to see the Penn and Teller show because Stefan is a complete magic nerd. We bought a vintage deck of cards, and Penn and Teller are OGs. They came out to greet fans after every single show. Vegas is the epitome of overindulgence. Everything is too much. My other Unika bikini I had made extra high and extra cheeky. It goes over the belly button and is my go-to for a buffet belly.
Hi there, I'm calling to check out, please.
My favorite thing about Steph is that he checks everything before we leave. We walked through all the classic hotels, Bellagio, Luxor, Mandalay Bay, gambled a bit, came up poorer, and then went up to Fremont Street for the light show. Did I just miss it?
I think that was it.
Damn it!
30 seconds too late, honey.
The light show was really underwhelming, but Fremont Street is really fun to explore as the original Vegas Strip. There's this low-key Hawaiian restaurant called Aloha Specialties in the area that made really good food. I got some spam musubis for the red-eye back. And then I'm gonna change into sweatpants after. And I'm gonna go wash my face. It really felt like a blink, and just like that, Vegas was done.